9th Standard ICSE Physics, Exercise 1B, sums. The first sum. A stopwatch has 10 divisions, graduated between 0 and 5 seconds marks. So what is the least count? That is the smallest measurement which can be taken. Now between 0 and 5 seconds, if there were 5 graduations, then each graduation would be equal to 1 second. But there are 10 divisions. So that means the smallest division is of half a second. That's the answer. Third one. Here on the main scale, there are 20 divisions in 1 centimeter. And on the Vernier scale, there are 50 divisions. And length same as 49 divisions, that's not important. The formula for least count of Vernier calipers is 1 main scale division upon number of Vernier scale divisions. Now in 1 centimeter, usually in a ruler, we have 10 divisions. So each division is of 1 millimeter. But here we have 20 divisions. That means each division will be of 0.5 millimeters. Upon number of VSDs, that's 50. If you divide this, you will get 0.01 millimeter. But I prefer writing the final answer in centimeter. So divide that by 10, you get 0.001 centimeter. Now the fifth sum, which is again similar. Here the main scale is graduated in millimeter. That means 1 MSD is 1 millimeter as usual. And the Vernier scale has 10 divisions. Equal to length 9 millimeter, that is not important. So again, least count formula, 1 millimeter is 0.1 centimeter. Number of divisions are 10. Answer is once again 0.01 centimeter, which is usually the least count of Vernier scale. Next, they want the zero error. Zero error is always least count into coinciding division. Least count we have already found out. Coinciding division is already given, ready-made out here. It's third division here. So just substitute the value and that's the zero error. It's a positive zero error. And we don't have negative zero error calculations in our syllabus. By the way, they have mentioned that the zero Vernier scale is ahead of zero of main scale. So if you look at the diagrams, you will realize that such zero errors are always positive. If the Vernier scale 0 was behind, it would have been negative. Now the seventh sum. Again, 10 divisions on the Vernier scale and 1 centimeter into 10 parts. So we will find the least count in the seventh sum, which is exactly like the fifth sum. But further, we have to take a measurement for which they have given the main scale reading, and for the Vernier scale reading, they have even given the coinciding division as well as a negative zero error. So, least count, same formula, we get the same answer, the usual answer, and length or the reading is always MSR plus VSR. MSR is given 1.8 centimeters, and VSR formula is least count into coinciding division. Least count was 0.01. and coinciding division is given as 4 in the question. So the answer is 1.84 centimeters, equal to science. The B part, how to solve that? Well, whenever they give a negative zero error, we don't have to calculate the zero error, it's already given. So the final answer, we just have to add this. You see, final reading is always reading minus zero error. So reading was 1.84 centimeters. Zero error is minus 0.02, and minus of minus 0.02 is plus 0.02. So it is added. So that makes it 1.86 centimeters. Solve this as well, unless the school teacher cancels it. In fact, this entire exercise 1B numericals is not in syllabus as per the scope, but some schools do teach it, hence I am too. Now in the eighth sum, you should be able to read the diagram. I can see that the 0, the red line, is just above or ahead of 3.1 to 3. It is between 3.3 and 3.4. So the main scale reading is 3.3 centimeter. And for the Vernier scale reading, you should know the coinciding division, which is the 6th division in this case. Now the ninth sum. Pitch is given. Pitch is the distance traveled by the screw on one complete rotation on the main scale. And the head scale, that is the circular scale, has 100 divisions. So what is the least count? So for screw gauge, the formula is different. Least count is pitch upon number of CSDs, circular scale divisions. So the values were already given, but make sure you convert millimeter to centimeter, and this is the final answer. In the 11th sum, the pitch is again given 1 millimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter, and the number of circular scale divisions are also given, so we can find the least count. The diameter main scale reading is given, and the coinciding division is also given. So first of all, the least count is calculated with the usual formula, and diameter or any measurement using this instrument is MSR plus CSR is equal to 0.2 centimeters given in the question, and CSR is as expected LC into CD. LC we have found, CD is given, solve this and we get this final answer. Now the 13th one, the screw gauge has 50 divisions on circular scale division and it moves 1 millimeter on turning by 2 rotations, but the pitch is only for 1 rotation, so pitch will be half of this, that is 0.5 millimeter. And then we have a coinciding division mentioned, but that is for 0 error. So let's find the pitch first. Pitch is 0.05 centimeters, that is half of what is given. LC is pitch upon number of CSDs, so substitute the values and get the answer. 0 error is always LC into CD. LC we found out, CD is given, so that's a 0 error. And now 15th sum. Pitch is given and number of divisions is to be found out to read correct up to this much. So this is actually the least count. The same formula and then cross multiply and we get the least count. We get the number of CSDs as 500 here. Notice that here I've kept both these values in millimeter and did not convert it.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.